Hey yo, y'all watching? I bet. Cause today we got another food review of the Mike's Hot Honey Chicken from KFC. Bro, oh man, they got the mac and cheese. We got the potato wedges, bro. We got me taking the big bite right now. Look at that. I drop a piece, but it's okay because I got more pieces. Look at that. I got another one. Bro, I couldn't talk. It was too good, man. It was juicy. It was flavorful. Man, I don't know. It was good chicken. Like, look at my rating. What I'm about to say. Respectfully, 10 out of 10. Respectfully. But wait. Hold on. Can't forget the what? The Dr. Pepper. Never Dr. Pepper. And I almost forgot. These fries don't lie. These especially these fries. These fries, they don't lie, bro. Look at this. Like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want. And remember, risk it for the biscuit.